You had an accident or not, Chief?
Yes, I had a very bad accident.
Hi guys, it's your boy MK here. Do remember to like, share, and drop some comments down in that comment section. Most importantly guys, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification to be notified for more videos. On to the next video. M2K.
Phone call regarding about your minor road accident which reported your insurance company. I believe you remember that.
Oh, thank you for calling. Thank you.
Yes, Chief. You had an accident or not, Chief?
Yes, I had a very bad accident. About,
This year or last year?
it was this year, just before lockdown.
Okay, Chief. Okay, did you send any document with any solicitor for your consultation or not?
No, because lockdown everywhere closed, so couldn't get to send anything at all. And I'm very weak at the moment, so can't drive, can't walk. Yeah.
Okay, alright, just hold the line. I'm going to transfer to my supervisor. He will guide you back than me, okay?
No problem, no problem, no problem.
Just hold the line. Thank you. Hello.
Hello?
Hi, sir. Thanks for holding. You just have to spoken with my colleague regarding the accident, I believe, right, sir?
Yes, that is correct. That is correct.
So, regarding the accident, did you receive some sort of compensation amount?
No, I still have not heard back from you guys as yet.
And how the accident happened to you?
Man, it's a long story. Basically.
Can you tell me one line statement how the accident happened to you?
Oh, I crashed into a car, or a car crashed into me.
Sorry, what?
A car crashed into my car.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and when the car crashed into my car then fell over a cliff. I lost my two arms. My dick fell off.
Boy.
Yeah. So bad, man.